Hi guys, let's make some lentil fritters today. Oh no, wait, that's an English name for it. These snacks are called Piyaju. The taste and texture of Piyaju is very similar to onion bhaji that you get in restaurants, but this is not onion bhaji. The key ingredient in this recipe is lentil. Let me show you the ingredient list. Here I have some lentils. I'm using the red variety, which nowadays is easily available in supermarkets. I have some onion slices, green chilies, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, which you can adjust according to your taste, some ground flour, a little bit of salt, and some oil. The process starts with soaking up lentils. You need to soak them in water for 3 to 4 hours, which I have done already, so I'm going to replace this one with the soaked one. Let me make some space over here, and now I'm going to drain the soaked lentils. Now here's a quick tip. If you forgot to soak lentils for 3 hours, which I often do, I just soak them in very hot water for around 30 to 40 minutes, and that will give you the similar result, but it's always advised to soak them in water for 3 to 4 hours. So straining is done. I'm going to remove this one, and now I'm going to make paste out of this soaked lentil. In a grinder, I'm going to take a few tablespoons of lentil at a time, and the grinding should be without any water, but if you find it difficult, use just few drops of water. The reason behind not using any water is if you do the job without any water, then the paste will be coarse, which is ideal for making fritters. You might need to shake it a few times, that's fine, but try not to use any water. That will give you the best result. Let me show you the consistency. Thick, coarse paste, just perfect for making lentil fritters. I'm very happy with the mixture today. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. In goes green chilies, salt, which doesn't want to go to the mixture, all the spices. As I said, I have turmeric powder, red chili powder, and ground flour here. Everything goes in. Sliced onions. Try to make thin slices, that will give you more crunchiness and better taste. Now it's time to mix everything, and the job is best done with hand. There is nothing like hand mixing. You can always use a spatula, a big spoon, or anything you prefer to do the job, but I find hand mixing is the best for doing this job. So I'm incorporating everything and making sure that lentil paste is mixed with all the spices, green chilies, and onions. My last ingredient is a couple of tablespoons of oil, which will give the mixture a very good binding and will stop it from splitting when we fry them. I'm gonna show you how to make the shapes for frying them. Take a little bit of mixture in your hand, and then using your thumb, just press it gently so that it's all together, and then gently leave it on oil. That's it. So take a little bit of dollop in your hand, press it with your thumb just like this, and then gently leave it in oil. We are going to fry these fritters in medium to medium low heat. and we are gonna cook them until they get a crispy coating from outside. Throughout the whole cooking process, we will turn them 3 to 4 times so that they are evenly cooked from inside and the outer layer gets a crispy coating, which is yummy. Once piyajus get golden brown color, you know that they are done and it's time to take them out from oil. Like any other deep fried snacks, please take them out in a kitchen towel lined plate that will soak up all the excessive oil, which is always unhealthy. And your piyajus are done. Won't you say it was easy? Piyajus make a great snack, and the perfect pair for it is a cup of hot milk tea. Try this at home. If you come across with any problems, put your questions at the comment box below and I will answer them. I hope you will subscribe to our channel, and once again, thank you all for watching. Bye.